Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Vince. Welcome back to another app review on the channel. Guys, today we're going to be trying out Claw Toys. Now, Claw Toys apparently promises real life prizes. They will send these prizes to your house. Now, you know those claw machines at the arcades, guys? This is what it's all about apparently, alright? So, I have no idea what I'm in for right now. I had to register with my Google account, which I don't like doing. But either way, whoa. Okay, what do I do? Oh my lord, it's an actual real life claw. Look at this! Okay, how does this actually work? What do you do? Free plays, 5. Reserve to claw. Okay, I want to reserve the claw here. Now, there is a massive rumor about this app, alright? And there's so many. Oh, this person's got it, and they dropped it. There are so many negative reviews on this app, it's unbelievable. So, we might have control over this claw machine, okay? So don't think that you don't have control over it, because I think you do. The big problem is, right? Apparently, you win the first prize, okay. So apparently you are able to win a first prize. But on the second try, because apparently you need to win 2 prizes to actually be able to redeem and get the prize delivered to your house. So within a day, I think, within 24 hours, I read the comments. But I haven't seen it yet. I want to see here. I'm just waiting to actually play. I think I'm waiting for someone right now. It looks like 2 people are watching. Okay. When can I play? Rankings 1. So am I next? Yeah, I think, okay, I'm next here, everyone. I'm actually next. This is freaky. I've never played a claw machine online before. How does this even work, bro? And that person just messed up completely. So I have 5 free shots. Now, I don't know how to get other coins. But yeah, apparently you need to get 2 in 24 hours to actually get the prize sent to you. So, I don't know if the app's a scam, right? I really cannot call it a scam. What I can say, though, is that I 100% believe, just like claw machines, that these are rigged. Okay? 100%. So, here we go. Apparently, I'm going to control this right now. Okay? So, I'm sending the commands down. Sending the commands down all the way here. Where should I go? Should I go to the one on the right? Or should I... Oh, I know where to go. Hello? Can you... Is this going to move? There we go. Alright. I want to try and line this up right now. I'm just trying to line this... The depth of field's like a bit weird to me. Like trying to actually line stuff up, it's a bit hard, guys. Let's go to the left. I want this one right underneath the claw right now, technically. How many... Oh, I have only 8 seconds left, bro. Oh my god, I didn't realize I only had 8 seconds left. Is that on top of it? Yes? Oh! Oh! So close! See what I mean, everyone? You lost. That was close. Come on, play again. I'll play again. See what I've never played something like this before where you control a claw machine, bro, in real life. This is so trippy to me. Like, legitimately, this is so trippy. Let's go. I want to claw it. Can I get it? Can I get it? Oh, my lord! So close! Now, I don't know what happens when you run out of coins. I think you might have to spend real life money. But I can't guarantee this is a scam or not, everyone. Like, I literally can't. It's a claw machine. Like, who knows if a claw machine's real or not? I believe they're all fake. Like, even in real life, I believe claw machines are fake, okay? Where's my claw going? I only tapped it once, game. A little bit more. 11 seconds left. I'm just trying to line up that head. Where should I grab it? I don't know. Where should I grab it, everyone? I'll grab it on its head. Here we go. I want this prize. Oh my god. Look at this claw machine, everyone. It's going to make me rage. You lost. Anyway, so the app's called Claw Toys, alright? So keep that in mind. I'm going to keep playing here until I get this toy. I'm so close to getting the toy, bro. And let me guess. Someone else is going to win my toy. What's the bet, eh? Alright, there we go. Let's go. Come on. This is it. This is a win. This is a win. This is a win! Are you serious? Are you serious? Are you... No! It dropped it as it picked it up. No! What? I'm so angry. I'm so angry. Is it even worth picking that up now? Should I even go for the same one, everyone, or not? I can't believe that just happened then. I thought I had it. I jumped up out of my seat and everything. Holy hell. Oh, man. Oh, it's looking good. And drops it. It drops it as it gets to the hole again. Are you serious? This is why people are angry with this app. Typical claw machine. Oh, I'm done. I've got no more free plays. Now what do I do? This one? Pokemon hand warmer. A Pokemon hand warmer. Balance is 0 coins. Start. Insufficient coins. Oh my god, you have to spend real life money. No. 99 tokens is $10. You seriously might as well go to the arcade in real life, get out your house a bit, and just go play the claw machine. What, so you can't actually watch an ad or something for tokens? They give you no free option? Oh, wow. Alright. Well then, everyone. Yeah, there's not much I can do here. I'm out of tokens. I don't think I can earn any more tokens, legitimately. Iron Man Avatar Hero. Okay, what does this mean? You win the Avatar Hero, I guess, if you get a prize here. You know, that's it. That's all the app is, bro. Legitimately. So, look, I can't say it's a scam or not, everyone. I mean, all I can do is give you my honest opinion on it. For what I just played then, it seems... It's a cool idea. It's a cool concept, okay? And I know you're probably used to me ripping apart these scam apps, right? But this, to me, I don't know if it's a scam or not. I mean, it has a lot of negative reviews. People are angry that they're spending real-life money on an app, right? And they're still losing. But that's the claw machine, everyone. This is the problem. It's a claw machine. Is it real? Is it not? I don't know. But all I can tell you is that my honest opinion of it, and this is why I guess you watch me to see my opinion, I believe that you will end up spending a lot more on this app than the actual prize is worth itself. So the plushie of Yoda might be worth $30 or $20, right? But you end up spending like $50 on coins, okay? So keep that in mind. Yeah, I don't know. I'm kind of disappointed they don't give you an option for the redeeming of the coins, like to watch an ad. But I'm trying to find someone else that's playing here. Who else is playing right now? Here we go, we're watching Austin. We're watching someone called Austin. Alright, Austin, let's see if you can get this toy. Just watching someone here now. This is going to be very interesting. I can't wait to see what's going to happen here. It's actually cool how you can watch people play. It's like literally at an arcade. This guy stuffed up so bad. What the hell are you doing, dude? Austin just wasted his turn. That's alright, though. I don't know what he was doing there. Is that it? Was that his last shot? Because he failed that miserably. So we're watching someone here try to play. But yeah, everyone's saying in the comments that the app's rigged, dude. Like, apparently it's a claw machine. Of course it's rigged, but apparently this app is extra rigged. They're just trying to get you to spend real life money. So yeah, I think this guy's messed up his drop here, man. Yeah, here we go. He's recalculating. Here we go. That should be a win easily. Oh, dude, the claw dropped. The claw, it opened up. The claw actually opened up then. No, that's ridiculous. I want to watch that in slow motion here.
Here we go. That should be a win easily.
That had to be a joke, bro. Unless I've got that wrong on the video. You guys let me know in the comments what you think, alright? I swear that was so rigged then. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Give Claw Toys a try if you want the humor of it, but I wouldn't be spending money on it, guys. Seriously. I'll catch you all in the next video tomorrow. Stay safe. I post every day. Drop a comment telling me what you think of Claw Toys. See you around.